Hi, today we're going to be talking about this ring light from Merkury. So this is a Selfie Studio ring light. It's quite small, it's not as big. There's the front. I'm basically going to unbox this and assemble it to show you guys how it looks like. Before I get started, if you can hit the like button on the bottom right corner, the red box, that'd be great. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base. If you like this video, it added some value, hit the like button and also leave me some comments. I'm always looking forward to reading your comments and responding to your comments. Thank you. Let's get started. So I'm going to unbox this. So this is the Merkury ring light. Now, one thing unique about this ring light is that this one is very small. It's not your typical 10-inch ring light. All right, so when you take out of the box, you have everything right here in front of you. Now I'm just going to give some details about this item. So there's 3 color modes, very similar to the desktop 10-inch ring lights. 10 brightness modes, same thing, very similar. 360 degrees phone holder, very similar with the 10-inch desktop ring lights too. And then the neck is flexible. And when they're talking about the flexible neck, they're actually talking about the phone holder stand. So let me go ahead and just unbox this and plug it in and show you guys and give you guys an idea of how it looks like. I guess in some sense this is a desktop item too because it's for your desk, but it's just not your typical 10-inch desktop ring light. So this right here, they already have it pre-screwed in for you, is your phone holder stand and your phone holder. So first you want to just tighten the screw so that the phone holder is tight in there. So this is your phone holder stand. This is your phone holder here. I'll stick an iPhone into there later on. That's your first piece. Your next piece is your light. And then also, this is the stand for it, and it comes with the plug, which is powerful with USB. You can either stick into your laptop or you can stick into an outlet that has a USB in your wall. Remote control comes with an on-off power in red, minus, plus on top. That's for your brightness mode. There's 10 of them. And in between here is the 2 wavy lines. Is your modes, the 3 color modes. Now there's 2 pieces of screw here. This right here. So keep that on the side. There's a tool for you to tighten those screws. Now another thing you want to make sure you have, most of them will have it, is your manual instruction booklet, which just tells you what kind of contents you have and how to assemble. So the assembly is quite easy for this. It's pretty quick. So you have a plate that's your base. This is very heavy. It's metal. You have a little bumper here, which is like a sticker. You can peel it and you can stick it on the bottom so that, you know, it just makes it much easier, smoother when you're pushing the light around instead of having to worry about picking it up and every time you just slide it. There's 2 little punch holes here. Right here is where these 2 holes are. So you can align it. So it gives you everything you need. All right. So it's very easy, very quick. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to I would take the phone one first, which is your phone holder stand and the phone holder right here, and just put it in here to this hole. Choose one of these holes, whichever you want to put it in. I don't it wouldn't really matter which one would you want to put it in, whichever one suits you. You can have the light on your left side or your right side. So you're going to take one of those screws and you're going to stick it through the whole head. And you're going to just turn this in to the base. So the screw. Okay, so I have it here. So as you can see, I'm screwing it in. I'm using my hand first, and at the end you can use your a tool that they have here to screw it at the end. I'm using a tool right now to screw it in, as you can see. Okay, so I didn't tighten it too tight because I just want to speed it up. It's already in there. Little screw holding the one side. I'm going to stick the light now, the light one, onto it. Take the final and second screw and stick it through the hole too, right here. So right here, there's a hole. Right here, put the second screw through this other hole. And then I'm just going to plug this in here and screw it in. So as you can see, I have this plate in between the screw and the light that has the light holder stand. Yeah, hint. I think it's much easier just to use your fingers to tighten it first. Tighten it as much as you can with your fingers and then use the tool. Okay, so we have it in there. I have it tightened really tight. And then, as you can see, now we have this. So as you can see, everything's on here. You can, like I said, you can have it on the right or left, whichever way you want. Now I'm gonna power it up so you guys can take a look at the light. So once again, it's USB. Plug it into the USB or your laptop. Okay, so this is the layer. I'm going to kind of leave it low right now because I just want you guys to see how bright it is. And it is for the phone. See? So just put my phone in there. See? So my phone's in there. I'm going to turn my phone away. I'm going to leave the light here. I just want you guys to take a look how bright the light is. So that's my power switch here. So as you can see, it's plugged in, has power, just turned blue. Hit the power on. There you go. Now there's warm and there's white. And then there's white and then there's cool white for the different lighting. So let's take a look at the different modes. So this one right here is the cool white. This is the warm white. And this is the white. So let's decrease the brightness on the white. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Increase it. Hit the plus button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see the different modes of brightness for each of the modes. Now, this light right here can go really high, but I'm just leaving it really low right now. Okay, I wanted you guys to take a look at the lighting. I'm also leaving the phone really low right here. So it's just kind of like a two-headed monster where, you know, they have a long neck. Kind of like, reminds me of the movie Godzilla, you know? So you can have your phone on one side, you can have your light, you can kind of move it around. It's very unique, and I wanted to make a video of it so you guys can take a look at it. Let me know if any of you guys have one of these. But one of the great things about this is that it allows you to actually kind of move everything to a different area. So if you're playing your guitar, you can also kind of have it, you know, flung in different directions, the light from another direction and the phone in another direction, if you're getting what I'm saying. So it's very, very unique. The idea of this is very different from your typical 10-inch ring light for the desktop, you know, like the big round one which just has a tripod. This one has a stand. So I kind of like this one a little bit. Would I buy this? Sure. I mean, I think it's definitely very unique. It's very different from the ones that I've seen for the desktop, which is like your 10-inch ring light. What's the price on this? $17, $16, give or take. At a retail big box, such as like discount big box, such as TJ Maxx, Target, maybe Marshall, maybe even a Ross. But the retail price on this, you're getting it outside, is probably like $20 to $25. So that's their price point there. But I wanted to show you guys, it's assembled already right now, but just to give you guys an idea, hopefully you guys enjoyed it and it added some value. If so, hit the like button. I'm recording it with my newest iPhone, so I'm trying to fit everything into the screen. So thank you very much. And once again, hit the like button if you like this video. Let me know if you have it. Leave some comments. And most of all, if you can hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to build up my subscriber base here. I'm really new. I'm also upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. I'll probably be doing it more often eventually. So definitely subscribe. You'll always be seeing new videos weekly, you know, 3 times a week. So thank you for joining me. Hopefully this excited you and you guys like it. And once again, this is your Merkury selfie, desktop selfie studio, vlogging, social media, live streaming. I think this can be great for cosmetics too. You want to get a close-up shot, you know, like when you're doing cosmetics on eyebrows or something like that. So pretty cool stuff. Look forward to talking with you guys next time.